Tired of complicated and expensive money transfers? In this video, we'll dive deep into how to use Taptap Send, making international money transfers simpler than ever. First, open the Taptap Send app on your phone. Notice how clean and user-friendly the interface is. It's a breeze to navigate. Tap the Send Money button, usually prominently displayed. This starts the process of initiating a transfer. Next, select the country where you want to send money. Taptap Send supports tons of countries globally. Now, choose the currency you are sending. Ensure your source and recipient's currency match. Enter the amount you wish to send. The app will automatically show you the exchange rate and any fees associated with the transfer. You'll then need the recipient's information, typically their full name, as it exactly appears on their documents, such as their ID. Choose how your recipient will receive the money. Options often include mobile money, bank transfer, or cash pickup. Availability varies based on the country. Carefully review all the details before proceeding. Double-check the recipient's information and the amount you're sending. Select your payment method. Taptap Send usually supports debit and credit cards, and sometimes bank transfers. Once you've confirmed, initiate the transfer. A loading screen will appear while the transaction is processing. And that's it. You've successfully sent money. You'll receive a confirmation message, a tracking number, and notification of confirmation. Enjoy easy to send payments.